Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge browser for your HUAWEI Nova 10. So let's begin with opening our app gallery. Right here we need to find an app called Microsoft Edge. It's this one right here and we can install it. So when it's ready, open this app, and now we can start customizing it. So sign into turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Accept or not for a data sharing preference, and then confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And from here we can start browsing, so open any website and it works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.